My dear students, competitive chemistry JEE NEET 2026 battle commence today onwards. We are going to give many shorts, many videos for the benefit of the NEET and JEE aspirant. Please watch from today onwards without any deviation. The difference between bond order of CO and NO plus is X by 2, where X is, bond order of CO. What is the bond order? The number of bonding electrons minus number of anti-bonding electrons upon 2. Okay. According to molecular orbital energy diagram, we can able to write the bond order. We can able to know the number of bonding electrons. We can able to know the number of anti-bonding electrons. Then we can calculate the bond order. Okay. First of all, we are expected to know how many electrons are present in CO. Carbon atomic number 6, oxygen 8. So if you know the atomic number, we can easily say the number of electrons. 6 plus 8, 14 electrons are there. If the number of electrons are 14, the tricky trick is number of electrons 10, bond order 1, number of electrons 11, bond order 1.5, 12 2.0, 13 2.5, 14 number of electrons 14, bond order 3, 14 bond order 3. You see the bond order increasing by 0.5 unit up to 14 electrons. The bond order increasing by 0.5 units up to 14 electrons. So bond order 3. After 14, number of electrons 15, decreasing 0.5 unit, that is 2.5. Number of electrons 16, bond order 2. Number of electrons 17, bond order 1.5. Number of electrons 18, bond order 1.0. Please note it. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 electrons. Bond order up to 14 electrons, bond order increasing by 0.5 unit, 14 bond order 3. After 14, bond order decreasing by 0.5 unit. This is one of the trick. We can easily find out the bond order. Okay. So bond order, number of electrons 14, bond order 3. Okay. At the same time, NO plus, nitrogen atomic number 7, oxygen 8, plus means remove 1 electron. So 8 plus 7, 15 minus 1, 14 electrons are there. Bond order is 3. Number of electrons 14. Bond order is 3. Please note it. So the difference between bond order, the carbon monoxide bond order 3, NO plus bond order 3. 3 minus 3, that is equal to 0. This is 3, this is 3. So bond order 0. Actually what he said, X by 2, bond order difference is X by 2. 0 is equal to X by 2, or you can say X by 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Please note it. So answer is 0. Thank you very much.